Hi, work is completed. Here is the demonstration. This is the request form, this is the admin tool, and this is the database. The first thing what we need to do is after opening the both the files, request form or the admin tool, the first thing what we need to do is to go to the settings and then set this database path. This database path, we just can go to this file and right click on it, go to the properties and the securities and then copy this path. This is same as what we did in earlier project. Okay, once we did it, this is a request form. On click of this registration request form will pop up, and you can enter the user ID, then customer ID, then customer name, and then win number, then registration number, then remarks. And right now I have set my email ID as the admin email ID. So on click of this, it will going to generate the email and save this to the email is sent to the administrator. This is my email I have. So I should receive an email here. I'll just show you how you can set your administrator path email ID. Here is the one. You just have to go to the VBA editor, and then here you have to change this to your own admin ID. This is my Hotmail ID, so I'll have to open up an Hotmail and see the email received. This email ID you can change it as administrator email ID. Whatever the email ID we set here, the email goes to this as the administrator. That is in the administrator underscore email. If you double click on it, this will open up here. So that is the one. The request has been set. Now I'll close this one. Let's make one more request. Customer number, customer name, name 2, win number, registration number, remarks, none. I'll again set it. So it has been submitted. Now we should see both of them in the administrator tool. When the administrator opens up, it will ask for the password. I have set the password as you provided to me. I'll send you the password. So first thing here also we need to set this database path. After that it is ready to use. Now here we can see the active you can see the activate or deactivate request. All the in progress, under process requests are listed here. So only the under process requests are listed. So you can use administrator can click on any of them and then change the process to activate it, or you can choose it to deactivate it. Here itself we have an option to go for the search form. You can see all the search things that are available. Now it is all under process listed too, and we can even enter the win number, and or we can enter the customer number, and then we can see the results by clicking on search. Show all means it will show all of them. We can also filter it by customer number and the win number. Okay, now let's let me 4 5 7 8 9 6 5 3 2 1 4. This is the customer number. Yeah, so we got this record. Similarly, we can enter win number or both customer number and the win number. It will show the results. Now I'll show all and close it. So once we set this updated status as activated, now what happens is this will going to trigger an email to the sender. Sender in this case is using my Outlook, so it's my Gmail account. It has to send me an email with this win number, customer number, registration number with these details. So I'm now clicking on update status. Status has been updated. Now there is only one under process, rest all it's not under process. So we can also use the delete this request. By clicking on this delete request, it will going to delete this record under process. If there are any duplicate registrations, the request, then we can delete it from here. And now we can go to the search form. I think we have already seen this search form here. There are one is activated and another one is under process. This is going to display these records. Okay, so now here there is no yeah, that's it. That is the now let me see if I have received my, yeah, you can see this one. It has received ID 1234 as a win number. Dear associate, thank you for your email. The request has been processed. This email I have received because it has been sent from my Outlook. So it will program will automatically pick up from my Outlook, which is the email ID that I am sending from. That it will going to record that itself as the sender email ID. So we don't need to ever again maintain another list of sender email IDs. Application will automatically pick up the email ID from the Outlook from which it is sending out the email. That itself as a sender email ID. And that's all. Thank you very much.